Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 4th of February 2023. We're trying to figure out today if Kyber Network is finally going to explode or rally substantially in the market. You guys can already tell for the most part that is exactly what is going on. Price in Kyber is currently in an upward trend. So we're going to talk about that second. I'm going to give you all my updated, or at least let you all see the progress, the reaction to my last price prediction in Kyber Network, which was created on October the 18th. 2022. You guys can see that I was bearish into the market at that moment in time. And let me extend this over to the right a little bit, and you guys can see the ultimate TP price was created on November 8th, 2022, which is around 19.19%. Now at the very bottom of this downtrend into the market in Kyber, this prediction would have garnered us around 51.75%. So either way, we knew the bias of where price was trying to go, and it was to the downside, and we were in position to capitalize off of that move. Now let's get back to where we are at today. Clearly, Kyber is doing a fantastic job of keeping in line with the trend. We're going to simply identify that, because to those who have been a regular viewer of my content, you already know as long as price holds that trend line, price will forever go up. It will never come down. So this is going to be a real vital role onto when we need to know the transition has changed from the market being bullish to the market being bearish. Okay. Now, next thing I'm going to do, I'm zooming out this price chart because this area back here in Kyber Network was seen as support. Like, this was a very strong area of support. Now the idea could be that Kyber may in fact make a run to this particular price target, $1.16, give or take. This is where the ultimate decision is going to be made as to whether or not Kyber is going to be on a massive bull run, or price is going to hit this $1.16 level and we come right back down in the midst of weakness. So this is definitely an area of contention that we need to keep in our mind going forward for Kyber Network. Okay, so that is going to be and I suspect it's going to be a problem into the market for the buyers in Kyber Network. Okay, so now overall, let's go ahead and look at these daily time frames into the market in Kyber Network to see if the bullishness is still there, because I'm still looking for price to go up. I was going to keep it real. I'm going to keep it a buck. You guys can already see we're up 9.17% in the market in Kyber Network. That's the 2-day price bar right here. Here it is on the 3-day. Let me show you all the 5-day chart, because the 5-day chart is going to give us a lot of information, especially in the next 9 hours. Okay, so we have 9 hours before this current 5-day price bar ends. But I'm here to tell you right now, once this 5-day price bar completes, and let's say that it ends the way that it looks right now, I'm definitely going to look for price to continue to go up. It's just that simple. And I think you guys can tell from the tone of my voice and how confident I am in speaking. It's because I come to the realization and understanding that what we see on the chart, it is the truth. You have to look at it for what it is and act accordingly. So that definitely is telling me that the bullishness into the market in Kyber Network is still there. Take a look at this on the weekly chart. In the next day and 9 hours, if the price bar looks this way in Kyber Network, I'm going to look for the market to continue to go up. Now I'm going to give you all some price targets, some price levels that you may want to be aware of, because this is where the sellers could be lurking in the background, just waiting to let price run to the level, and then they come in and dump the price, dump their shares, dump their currency in the market and lower Kyber Network. One of them you guys can probably already see, and it is right here. So this is one price level that I'm going to bring up. My second one, I'm going to go ahead and show it to you right now. It's going to be here. And then my third one's up there around $1.16. Those are already levels that I can tell that market buyers will have issues with against the sellers. So let me go back and put this on the chart so we can keep eyes as the market in Kyber Network continues to trade throughout the month of February. Okay, so that first price target is around $1. Okay, that's around 9.13% right there. Okay, 9.13%. Let me go ahead and bring this up for you all. Okay, here it is. Okay, that's the first price target, $1, 9.13%. Now, my second one is going to be up here around $1.10. That gives us around 19.13%. Price level, $1.09. The third price target, it's going to be up here around $1.15, $1.16, give or take. That's 25% move from where the market currently is right now in Kyber Network. $1.15. Okay, so let me go ahead and cut these other areas out. You guys got my 3 levels. And we're just going to simply play the market in Kyber Network throughout the month of February. And we're going to let the market work. And as time goes on, the things change, of course. We are nimble. We are versatile. We are agile in how we move. If the market gives us a totally different perspective, i.e., let's say that price in Kyber Network comes and breaks this trend, then we need to come in and reevaluate the situation and play the opposite side. Okay, we need to come in and see if the market buyers are still interested in moving price in Kyber. Okay, so let me see. I want the market overall to not trade below 70 cents. As long as price holds 70 cents, I'm going to anticipate that the market in Kyber is still has a greater probability to go up. Okay. So I am done. Real simple video, 6 minutes. If anyone's taking longer than 5 minutes talking about a price chart or a cryptocurrency, definitely need to evaluate who you're paying attention to. It doesn't take all of that. All you have to do is look at the correlation between volume and price, and you guys have an idea as to what the overall market is thinking. Join me, hit that like button, set everything else to subscribe, make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.